Everything's it's time to go. Packing day 1 was spent packing, so I didn't get a chance to film it. But I am fueled by Mountain Dew, and yeah, that's about it. It's been a crazy time. Such a short chunk of time before I have to move, and it just got settled. The goal is to be done by tonight. Woo! And then I got to do this because I've got 2 microphones. Everybody always yells at me because it's always in the left channel. So as you can see, I've kind of packed up a bunch of stuff. And this guy's been helping me. Tell me, sir, what is your name?
Hi, they call me Tabaxian.
And what is your quest?
I'm questing to help Qain on his adventure southbound into the east.
And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is gray.
At least he's correct on that one. He didn't get thrown into the pit of death. No, seriously, dude. What is it that I was on your show once? Probably like what, 2 years? Twice.
Yes.
God, must have been really drunk the second time. But I was on your show a couple times.
Yes.
And it's called the Indeed Podcast.
Indeed.
And tell all the wonderful people out there where we can find this, and then I'll put shit on the screen anyway.
Oh, swing. Indeed Podcast. You can find it at Indeed.com or Indeedpodcast.com, or you can find us at VTWProductions.com, which has all our shows with Show X and No Excuses and the whole group out there.
Score. We're gonna finish packing this crap up, and then I'm gonna, GTFO.
Swing.
All right, it's first day on the road, first night on the road, actually. I have everything that I own is in this van, except for my car, which is the caboose of the Qain train this time around. I slipped out, right? Getting up and moving is a little more of a problem when you're getting up out of a nice warm nest of a blanket and stepping into nice frigid morning air. So we're further headed south today, and we'll see you this afternoon. Okay, so you guys are gonna have to tell me if I should start doing like a wine show. Oh wow. Probably wondering what the hell. If you're ever at one of these crazy love stations like this, these guys, and any of your crazy if you do any kind of cross-country kind of travels like this, I highly recommend you swing through these things. You can actually download the app too. They're pretty useful. It integrates, it tells you what the gas prices are at these things. It also give you directions. And it pops up in Google Maps and does that. But this is the best part. If you buy 50 gallons of fuel, you get a free shower. If less than 50 gallons of fuel, it's $11. And in a cross-country trip like this, $11 for effectively your own private bathroom with You know, towels and shower. Totally fucking worth it, man. Wash your ass. Some things never change. Oh, hi. No, it's okay. You can come out. Just digging around for some old things around here. Check this out. Linux Music and Soundbook. Copyright 2000. Some of the information here is still kind of relevant, but, you know, it is what it is. Wing Commander 4, The Price of Freedom. Always relevant. Thanks, Chris Roberts. You, a lot of memories right there. And this is just one of those really cool pieces of equipment that I happen to have in my possession. This is a Digium TDM 400p. It is an analog telephone adapter that's also a PCI slot, or a PCI card, which is really crazy when you think that it's PCI, and I don't know if this will actually work in any of my modern systems because they got all maybe PCI Express stuff. It's a little dusty. Server cabinet over there. This is neat. I got a whole box of these. These are Advantech PCM computer, biscuit PCs. We call them embedded systems. Basically, it's a socket PGA 370. Can handle like a Celeron 700 or something. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but that's the whole computer with video and audio and all of it. I don't even know what this is. Some of this stuff, I haven't looked at this stuff in such a long time. This is a PC 104 Plus. That's basically a PCI riser card for embedded systems. Oh, check it out. Never leave home without a Pringles can. So I'm going to pack up the server cabinet, and I'm going to be back on my way to the wonderful world of nifty stuff. I don't know. Anyway, get out of here, you love it. I found this thing. Fucking hitchhikers, man. I don't know what I was thinking.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks, look at me!
Just remember, you and the captain, probably not a good idea. Just saying. I'm sick and tired of moving. That's it. I'm done. I'm so sick and tired of moving. If I have to move again, I'm just burning whatever the hell I'm living into the ground and walking away. And I'm not looking back at the explosion. I got a bunch of cool shit that's gonna happen, and this is where it's gonna kind of start from. So check this out. I've got this. I'm gonna put this baby in here. I've got the server cabinet ready to go. It's gonna be pretty cool. I gotta get a new power strip for this baby to plug into the wall. I don't exactly have a lot of really high amperage wall sockets in this place for now, but that's just the way it's gonna be.